Valentine's Day is coming up and you need to be prepared. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite mediums to use in a bakery. You know it, baby. Ganache. It's super easy, it's super delicious, it looks really elegant, and it's so simple to make and use. So ganache is very simple ingredients. We got semi-sweet chocolate, we got heavy cream, vanilla. So the first thing I'm gonna do is heat up my cream. Okay, there it goes. We're getting it nice and hot there. What's nice about ganache is it gives like that perfect poured chocolate look over the side of a cake. And I'm actually gonna let this boil just so you see what not to do. So this is perfect. This is about where you wanna be. You stop it, but if you don't, look, there it goes. Woo. See? See? Right there. Not this time, my friend. Not this time. All we're gonna do is pour our hot cream right over our chips. All right, so now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna gently swirl it around, nice and easy. Even though it looks like chocolate milk now, it's gonna turn into like a perfect chocolate syrup. So now that I got it just about perfect, like that perfect chocolate syrup, I'm gonna add our vanilla. All right, look at that, huh? It's velvety, it's sexy, it's ganache. So now that our ganache is all ready, it's time to pour it all over this cake. So I set up a 3-tiered cake here. It's covered in chocolate mousse. It's time to finish this off. And we're gonna pour this on. Yay! Isn't that beautiful? We're gonna let this set up for about 2-3 minutes. So now it's time to make this decadent, luscious chocolate cake into Valentine's Day themed. I'm going to do a couple rosettes, and then I'm gonna do a small border here. So now what I'm gonna do is dip these strawberries in a little bit of ganache. Look at that. And then I'm just gonna kinda put them there. And again, if you like white chocolate or milk chocolate, you can dip them in that too. But we got the ganache, and the ganache tastes delicious, so why not use it? Perfect. So now, you can take some of these beautiful raspberries, right? I'm gonna keep this tier nice and classy. Then we're gonna use some of these beautiful shavings here. I don't wanna put too many sprinkles on here. I'm just gonna throw a couple for color. And then put a couple on top here. I'm gonna go back with some chocolate shaves here. Bada bing, bada boom. Maybe some raspberries, just for a little bit of color here. Got our big strawberries on the bottom that are chocolate dipped. A couple good old-fashioned raspberries here. And lastly, the little cherry on top or strawberry on top. This guy over here, huh? Boom! Happy Valentine's Day, baby. Thanks for checking out Welcome to Cake. Make sure to subscribe below. Check out some of my other videos here. And in the comment section, let me know what you want to see on an upcoming episode. All right, see you soon.